Check out this park across from my house. Hello, bunnies. Morning, bunnies. Wow. Look at that sunrise. Just beautiful this morning. Let's walk down by the water. You gotta see the reflection. It's amazing. Here we go. Ooh, good morning, world. Look at that. Morning, little bunny. Look at that. What a way to wake up. The pinks and the yellows. Look at it down there. Beauty. So thankful to have this right across from my house every day. Look at that. Woo! Just exhilarating. I hope everyone has a swell day full of abundance and love.